Welcome to the channel, folks. In today's video, we're diving into the details of pressure wash house cost. If you're wondering, how much does it cost to pressure wash a house? Stick around because we're going to break it all down for you.
Before we talk about actual prices, let's first take a look at the factors that affect pressure wash prices.
The most significant factor is the size of your home. The bigger the house, the more time it will take to clean, which means the cost will go up. Also, the type of material your home is made from matters. For example, pressure washing a vinyl siding house is often less expensive than washing a wood house, which needs a gentler approach to avoid damage. Different materials may require special equipment or techniques, which can impact the price. Now let's talk numbers. On average, the pressure wash house cost typically ranges from $250 to $800, but it can go higher depending on several factors. So, if you're asking yourself, how much does pressure washing cost? Here's a general breakdown. Pressure washing a single-story house could cost anywhere from $250 to $400, while a larger two-story house may cost anywhere between $400 and $800, or even more in some cases.
The cost for pressure washing your home can also vary by location and the company you hire.
For instance, in larger cities or areas with a higher cost of living, pressure washing prices might be on the higher end of the spectrum. When you get an estimate for pressure washing, it's important to ask what's included in the price. Typically, pressure washing costs will cover washing the exterior of the home, like the siding and trim, but sometimes additional services such as roof cleaning, driveway pressure washing, and even deck cleaning can come with extra charges. For example, cleaning your driveway might cost an extra $100 to $300 depending on the size and condition of the surface. Roof cleaning could run anywhere from $150 to $500 depending on the material and roof size. Now, you might be wondering, can I save money by doing it myself? While DIY pressure washing can certainly be cheaper up front, there are some risks to consider. Using a pressure washer without proper knowledge can lead to damage, from dents in your siding to even personal injury. Professionals know exactly how much pressure to use on different materials and the best techniques to avoid damaging your home. So, when you're asking how much to pressure wash a house, remember, hiring a professional could help avoid costly mistakes in the long run. Looking for ways to cut down on pressure wash costs? Here are a few tips to help you save a little cash while still getting your house pressure washed the right way. Off-season scheduling. If you're not in a rush, try to schedule your pressure washing during the fall or winter months when the demand is lower. This could result in cheaper prices. Bundle services. Many pressure washing companies offer discounts when you bundle multiple services, like cleaning your siding, roof, driveway, and deck all at once. Prep the area. Remove furniture, plants, and any other obstacles from the areas to be cleaned. This can help reduce the time spent on the job and may lower the overall cost. So how much does pressure washing cost? It all depends on factors like the size of your house, the materials involved, and the services you choose. On average, pressure wash house costs can range from $250 to $800, but it can go higher for larger or more complex jobs.
I hope this video gave you a better understanding of what to expect when it comes to pressure wash prices.
If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home improvement tips. See you next time.